Welcome back to Snowball Investing. We have a very exciting video today, looking into this year's final quarter's highly anticipated SCHD dividend announcement. I'm also going to share my thoughts on the future of SCHD and my plans for investing going forward. This is by far the biggest dividend SCHD has given out to date, making this my biggest dividend payment ever. Let's jump right in, looking at Q4 with a massive dividend of 74 cents per share. That is a giant leap for SCHD. This is fantastic news. To have your biggest dividend payout be in an unstable market like today is a statement by them. Looking at last December's payment, it was just over 70 cents. This is great news for any SCHD investor. I honestly didn't expect this big of a jump with how the market has been this last year. Nonetheless, a great feeling rolling into next year with SCHD. I think this dividend announcement will put to rest all the claims of SCHD being a dying investment. SCHD continues to be a top-of-the-line dividend growth ETF. Looking into SCHD's dividend history, they have never failed the investor in growing that dividend. I think that's why this ETF is a favorite in the dividend community. Leave a comment down below if you're currently buying into SCHD. Getting into my portfolio, I currently have most of my SCHD shares in my Roth account, with a small portion in my brokerage. I prefer to have SCHD in my Roth, that way I can have my dividends completely free of tax. With a dividend growth ETF like SCHD, to fully get the most from your dividends, it needs to sit in your account for years. After consistently investing and reinvesting your dividends in SCHD for a lengthy period, you will see great dividend growth. Hopefully to the point of being financially free and living off your dividends. This is called the dividend snowball effect. To see a full explanation of how to fully maximize your dividends, I made this video specifically about it. Looking at my Roth account, you can see I have a little over 36 shares of SCHD. I'll be collecting almost $27 in dividends. This is my biggest dividend payment so far. I've only been investing in SCHD for a year. I invested a lump sum at its lowest dip in October, so my average cost is $68.60. My plan forward is to dollar cost average. I plan to consistently buy a couple of shares a week. I show you this to let you know I'm putting my money where my mouth is on this investment. I personally think SCHD is a great buy not only for right now but for long-term investors. I think SCHD has the brightest future and most potential out of dividend growth ETFs. If you're a younger investor in your 20s or early 30s, I would definitely look into SCHD, as it provides an easy passive style for dividend investing, with over 100 different well-diversified stocks. I hope you enjoyed this short dividend announcement video on SCHD. If you did, please like and subscribe for more investing content.